Basic adjectives vocabulary. Angry. The teacher got angry at the noisy students. Beautiful. The sunset was beautiful. Big. The elephant was big. Clean. After I finish vacuuming, the carpet will be clean. Closed. The door to the shop was closed when I arrived. Cool. The weather today is cool and refreshing. Correct. That's the correct answer. Dirty. The kitchen floor was dirty after the party. English. She ordered an English breakfast tea. Funny. The funny clown made everyone laugh. Good. The movie was really good. Happy. She felt happy after receiving the good news. Long. She had long dark hair. New. I saw their new baby for the first time. Open. The door is open. Paper. Paper cups do not last long. Sad. He is feeling sad because his dog had died. Scary. I watched a very scary movie. Short. Let's take a short break. Small. Can you give me a small box? Sorry. I'm sorry I forgot to return your book. Young. A very nice young man greeted us at the door. Happy. Angry. Open. Sad. Comment below, how many correct answers did you get?